Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to cook Ndole. Ndole is a Cameroonian dish which is made from bitter leaf, washed bitter leaf and peeled peanut. Today we are going to be using dry bitter leaf. This one has been washed and dried. So as you can see, it is dried already. So I'll be putting water to soak it. You have to soak it first before you cook it. Make sure you submerge it inside water to make it soft. I'll be adding spinach to this so that will make it softer. Here is the peanut. I'll be boiling this peanut. After boiling it, then I will blend it. That is how the peanut looks like. After boiling it, I went ahead and blend it. That is the boiled peanut already together with ginger and garlic pepper. After blending, set aside, and then you go ahead and chop your onion. I'm going to be chopping this onion into two different sizes. You'll see it when I'm cooking it. The first one I'm chopping in small sizes or in cubes. Then this is the other half of the onion. I'm just slicing it long. You'll see it when I use it. In a pot, add your oil and fry the first part of the onion. Fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you add your blended peanuts, ginger, garlic and pepper. Rinse everything and put, then stir it occasionally so that it doesn't burn, because if you don't stir it, the peanut is going to burn in the pot. Cover it and let it cook for some time. Then I went ahead and squeezed and added my spinach, chopped spinach. The reason why I'm adding chopped spinach is to make it softer. If you don't add spinach, that's still okay, but it's better if you have spinach, add it so that it will make your ndole to be softer. Mix the spinach and the dry bitter leaf together and then squeeze it out. Squeeze out the excess water. Now that I'm done squeezing the vegetable, I'll go back now and check the peanuts, the blended peanuts. Stir it, make sure it's not burning. Go ahead and add your salt, Maggi or any seasoning of your choice. You can use chicken bouillon or any other seasoning. Add the beef stock, white pepper, fish, smoked fish. Mix together. Here comes the meat and a little bit of kanda, crayfish. If you have your crayfish, this is the right time to put it. Mix them together and then you go ahead and add your spinach and bitter leaf. Add them in bits, mix it, then you add some more. Don't put all of it at the same time. This recipe is so good. If you have never cooked ndole in your house, go ahead, follow this recipe and cook your own. Look at how beautiful it's looking already. I added this complete seasoning. It gives more flavor to your food. Mix to combine. Mix it very well. In a frying pan, add oil. This is the time that we are going to use the other part of the onion that I sliced long. Go ahead and fry it. Fry it for about 2 minutes, then pour it over the ndole. Then give it a gentle stir. At this time, the ndole is giving. It is giving. The aroma in my kitchen is mwah. The ndole is so pleasing and appetizing, and it has this vibrant color that you are looking for in every ndole. At this point, the vegetable is ready, so I brought in my plantain that I will be using to eat the ndole. First of all, you want to wash your plantain very well before you cut it up and put in the pot and boil. Please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this video. Pour in water over the plantain and put it on the stove to cook. You can eat ndole with plantain, yam, rice, any starch of your choice, even fufu gari. I'm just dishing out some to my plate. Here comes the plantain. This food was so good, so delicious. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next video.